Well, I think it helps a great deal. Number one is that it opens a new thought process, and it's nice to also exchange views from one system to the other and from one thought to the other. So I think the thought process of how one can scale up business starts from conferences like this, and then of course one can also follow it up. I also think that life stories of people who've actually achieved something in life also inspire other people. So I think number one is it's thought provoking. Number two is it's also inspirational. Well, I've been a practicing doctor for the last 40 years or so, and I actually started this chain of clinics and started a corporate about 10 years ago. And we don't franchise, we own all our clinics, and we manage and own our business ourselves as of now. We have close to 87 clinics, and we now open one clinic every week in some part of the world or the other. We are in 34 countries, and 34 cities, and in 3 countries. We have about 300 doctors who work with us, which also includes super specialists like MD doctors in dermatology and trichology and so on and so forth. And we use a lot of information technology, IT, lots of processes and systems to make sure that we manage and control the quality. Well, innovation basically is standardization and making sure that people get the similar kind of treatment everywhere, and the same quality all over, no matter where they go and which clinic they go to. We spend a lot of time, money, effort to train our doctors and to make sure that the same quality is replicated in any branch in any country. Well, I think the SMA sector is a very important sector, and that's where there's a huge potential for growth. And we can see that basically we need to encourage more young entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs to stand on their feet if you really have to grow the market. And I think a conference like this actually inspires people to put their foot forward and to try to actually come forward and start their own businesses. And I think ultimately there are so many success cases of the SMEs going into the middle level and then again going into the large industries. I think that's the that's really the foundation, and I think that's the foundation of all growth in the country, and it should be encouraged. Well, Dr.Batras is growing around 30 to 40% now year to year, and we now open one new clinic every week for at least this financial year, and we're looking at growth in also other verticals, also in a product company, also in day aesthetic centers. So I believe healthcare and alternative medicine is growing in any case around 30% all over the world, back to back for the last 5 years, and we're just happy to be part of that growth. Well, our existence is basically restricted to India, which is where we have a large presence, not only in the metros but also in the tier 2, tier 3 cities now, and also we are part of Healthcare City Dubai. We have our own clinic there, which is doing very well, and we also have a clinic in Harley Street, London.